Looking for the best movers in Oklahoma City? Your search ends here. Whether you need local or long-distance moving, we've got you covered with reliable, affordable, and professional moving services. Our moving company offers trusted services backed by proper licensing and insurance. We provide transparent pricing with no hidden fees and always show up on time to make your move stress-free. Planning a long-distance move? Our experts handle packing and unpacking with care, provide all necessary materials, and offer flat-rate pricing so you know the cost up front. Need to move locally in Oklahoma City? Our team works efficiently to get you settled quickly with customized plans designed for your specific needs. We cover a wide range of services from residential and commercial moves to military relocations, international shipping, and even auto transport. Plus, we offer packing, storage, and same-day moving services. Moving to a new home or apartment? We handle everything from packing to unpacking, making your residential move seamless. Choose flat-rate pricing for long distance or hourly rates for local moves. Contact us today for your free detailed moving estimate. Need extra help? We offer packing, crating, full insurance coverage, storage solutions, and even same-day moves to fit your schedule. Ready to move? Trust the best Oklahoma City movers for a smooth and stress-free relocation. Call us now for your free quote and let us handle the heavy lifting.